up, everybody? Boost Down GB here, coming at you. We got the Nissan, we got the drift course, well, not that part, but around it. We got power steering in this thing. Let's show you what we got. We also got a one of those things, an air dam cowl induction, because the hood is spaced out in the back, so it does pull from the back. Maybe, I don't know. It also does keep kind of the junk from coming up through the front and splashing up into the carburetor, hopefully. So there's the motor, 5.3 LS with a Brian Tooley Racing Stage 4 turbo cam, a single turbo cam, the old one, not the new twin turbo variant that they got. Block hugger headers going to a Y pipe to a Borla oval can, 3-inch exit there through the hood. It's got a 850 Edelbrock with a Super Victor, one of them on there. 4-speed transmission out of a 64 Corvette, because why not? Radiator in the back here. If you already know some of this stuff, then it is what it is. But we're about to send this thing a little bit because I prepped out the track here, so let's get you guys bolted on. Not bad. Thing went pretty good. Got some flames out of there. I'm happy. I have to unplug this if I leave the key on, because it leaves that energized. And it'll probably burn it up if you leave it. I ain't burning it up. Well, it seemed to peak at like 206 degrees that last theyre limiter bash. So that's good. Hopefully the angle was pretty good. Let's see. .206. I mean, they run at like 195, so that's within safeties. So, goes pretty good. Power steering definitely helps. Has a real good feel to it. It definitely likes second. You can grab third gear, but it's a little too long-legged out there. At least the braking system isn't that good for this. But, yeah. My hoses seem to stay put. I had a problem here because the rear mount, it's very close down there, and that belt was deflecting into the hose and kind of eating it. So, but there's a power steering pump. I already showed you, but I didn't really show you in depth. All I did was, there's a little brass fitting in there. And I just connected the Nissan pressure side to the Chevrolet with that 3/8 compression fitting, and now we have really good steering. I mean, these are about ready to go. Look at that. Look at that freaking thing. Like, it's ready. It's ready. Ballooning and shit. I'll change them when it goes. I figured it would go today. This side isn't as bad, but it's getting there. Oh, there's a bubble. I love my 205s. Anyway, that's it.